The best water purifier with the latest purification technology is here. Introducing Marvel from Aquaguard, the pioneers in water purification for more than 35 years. Aquaguard has the trust of 1.5 crore mothers and is owned by over 1.6 lakh doctors. Its products are tested by more than 130 labs. Aquaguard water purifiers are proudly made in India, especially for different water conditions. Aquaguard Marvel comes with 7 stages of purification. Its advanced RO removes new age contaminants like mercury. Its unique UV e-boiling technology makes water as pure as water boiled for over 20 minutes. Its taste adjuster feature ensures you get sweet tasting water irrespective of the water sources. Aquaguard Marvel's patented active copper technology provides the goodness of copper in your water. Unlike other water purifiers which remove minerals from water, Aquaguard Marvel has mineral guard technology which retains all natural essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. So, if you are looking for the perfect blend of purification and protection, bring home the Aquaguard Marvel with active copper. क्योंकि हर वाटर प्यूरिफायर एक्वागार्ड नहीं होता।
For health and pure water, people trust Kent RO Purifiers. Presenting the Kent Supreme, a wall-mountable advanced version of Kent Supreme Lite. Kent Supreme has double purification of RO+UF and even removes dissolved impurities to make water pure and safe for drinking. Additionally, its unique UV disinfection light inside the storage tank keeps water pure for a much longer period. It also retains essential natural minerals in purified water through an adjustable and intelligent TDS control system. The high purification capacity of 20 litre per hour, large 8 litre storage capacity and ABS construction makes this purifier ideal for your entire family and any type of water. So, order Kent Supreme today and get complete protection from waterborne diseases.
समझौता ना करें, केंट आरओ ही लाएं, बेस्ट लाएं।
Presenting Eureka Forbes Aquaguard Aura Water Purifier in color black and copper. The water purifier comes with active copper technology that provides the goodness of copper in water. The UV e-boiling technology ensures that every drop of water is as healthy and safe as water boiled for 20 minutes. The ultra-filtration imparts crystal clear clarity to your drinking water in addition to making it safe from viral and bacterial contaminations. With mineral guard technology, this Eureka Forbes water purifier retains essential minerals in your water. The 6 stages of purification ensure that the water is completely fit for your health. With a high water storage capacity of 7 liters, you will never run out of water. The purifier can be used for TDS up to 200.